What's the meaning of breakup? Breakup. Breakup.
Break up. Break up. Breakup refers to the end of a romantic relationship between two individuals. This can be characterized by feelings of sadness, grief, and loss, as well as potentially negative emotions such as anger and disappointment. The result of a breakup can vary widely depending on the individuals involved and the circumstances surrounding the relationship and its end. Some people may experience emotional healing and closure after a breakup, while others may struggle with lingering feelings of heartbreak and the challenge of moving on. Ultimately, the result of a breakup is a new beginning, representing an opportunity for growth, self-reflection, and the potential for new relationships in the future.